Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest travel experiences. Today, we're showcasing 20 of the best places for a cultural immersion experience. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore the world. List of 20 best places are 1. Japan. Experience the traditional culture of Japan, including tea ceremonies, sushi making, and Zen meditation. 2. Bali, Indonesia. Immerse yourself in the island's spiritual culture through daily offerings and ceremonies, and explore its stunning rice paddies. 3. Marrakesh, Morocco. Get lost in the maze-like streets of the city's Medina. Try traditional Moroccan cuisine, and visit a traditional hammam. 4. Havana, Cuba. Discover the vibrant street culture of Havana and the Afro-Cuban influence through music, dance, and art. 5. Kathmandu, Nepal. Explore the temples and monasteries of this ancient city and learn about the local Nawari culture. 6. Mexico City, Mexico. Experience the rich history and cultural traditions of Mexico, including its ancient pyramids, Aztec dance performances, and street food. 7. Istanbul, Turkey. Immerse yourself in the city's rich cultural heritage, including the famous Turkish baths and Ottoman architecture. 8. Kyoto, Japan. Explore the city's ancient temples, gardens, and traditional crafts, including kimono making and pottery. 9. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Immerse yourself in the city's vibrant cultural scene, including samba dancing and the famous Carnival festival. 10. Jaipur, India. Discover the rich cultural heritage of Jaipur, including its palaces, forts, and traditional art and textiles. 11. Hoi An, Vietnam. Explore the city's well-preserved old town, traditional lantern-making workshops, and local markets. 12. Luang Prabang, Laos. Immerse yourself in the local culture, including traditional weaving and the daily almsgiving ceremony. 13. Casablanca, Morocco. Discover the city's cultural heritage, including its grand mosques, traditional markets, and street food. 14. Cape Town, South Africa. Explore the city's diverse cultural scene, including its vibrant music and dance scene, local markets, and the Cape Malay community. 15. Beijing, China. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of Beijing, including its ancient palaces, temples, and the famous Forbidden City. 16. Siem Reap, Cambodia. Discover the ancient temples of Angkor Wat and learn about the local Khmer culture and traditions. 17. Hanoi, Vietnam. Explore the city's rich cultural heritage, including its ancient temples, traditional water puppetry, and street food. 18. Marrakesh, Morocco. Immerse yourself in the city's vibrant cultural scene, including its markets, traditional dance, and cuisine. 19. São Paulo, Brazil. Discover the city's rich cultural scene, including its street art, museums, and the famous São Paulo Fashion Week. 20. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Explore the city's rich cultural heritage, including its ancient walls, palaces, and local festivals. So, there you have it. 20 of the best places for a cultural immersion experience. Don't wait. Book your next trip now and get ready to immerse yourself in the local culture.